Alright, so my niece will be having her firstborn baby in exactly 1 week, or at least it's calculated for 1 week. The idea is to give them a children's animal rocker as a present. Now I have only 1 week, so I just went online, found this really nice chicken template. I'll put the link in the description if you want to try it as well. Already printed out all the parts that I need. Went to the local wood shop, found this really nice 18mm thick popular plywood, and now I'll be transferring the forms, of course, to start with.
Alright, so you probably also noticed that while drawing out the templates, I did have these small inside corners. Now for that one, of course, I'm using a drill just to mark it out instead of using the jigsaw. Even with a big bandsaw, this would be very difficult to do, so don't try, just go with drilling holes using a drill. Now of course, because I'm using a jigsaw, or if you were using a bandsaw, you would probably have the same issue. I will have a bit of tear out here and there. So before we continue, of course, first filling those up with wood putty, just to make sure it's nice and smooth for the little children to touch.
So a problem I've been facing with this project is that there are a lot of inside corners. Now I don't have a spindle sander. Don't want to buy one, they're way too expensive for my taste. So I went through my wood stash and I found 2 pieces of wooden rods. Perfect, because, a little tip, you can take a piece of sanding paper, 120 in this example, and then put it around the stick like this. Take your piece with the inside corner and then just go through it like this. And I know it won't be straight, will probably not be a perfect circle anymore, but at least it will be safe for children to touch without them hurting themselves. So that's how I fixed that problem without a fancy spindle sander.
Nope, those red nails are definitely not mine. So big shout out to my little sister helping out on this project. Basically, so she could also say, of course, that it was partially her present for the little baby. But she did a great job, so thank her very much for that.
If you're ever wondering, it's this little tip. That's why I'm being so careful. I don't want a little hole through my plywood.
And before you ask, of course, in the comments, know that this finish that I'm putting on the chicken is clear varnish, which is from the brand of Motip, which is generally available right around anywhere in Europe.
Alright, so that's it. Rocker works great. Let's hope the little boy will be happy with it as well. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, so like and subscribe, and see you for the next build.